Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know types of credit card or Royal Bank of Canada offers. So for that case, open up a browser and on the web address bar go to rbcroyalbank.com/credit card, all credit cards. That's going to take you to this field where you can see the types of credit card they offer. So according to them, they offer different types of credit card according to the criteria such as travel, reward, cashback, no fee, low interest, student, business, and all cards. You could just go ahead and press the all cards button and it's going to take you to the page, and here you also need to go ahead and show credit card with whether it's travel insurance, US dollar, whatever. Select that, and here you can see these are the types of card that they offer. So you could go ahead and explore all of these cards such as RBC, Avian, Visa, Infinite, RBC ION Plus Visa, and RBC ION Visa. Next they have is RBC Avian Visa Infinite Privilege, a luxury travel credit card. You could just go ahead and explore all of the credit card that. So these are the list of credit cards RBC Bank offers. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.